Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video of a couple dog products. And the first one we got here, we just got these in the mail. We ordered them online. This is a nail, I believe, grinder, rechargeable pet nail grinder that we got to try. I have never used these. Ooh, throwing stuff at you guys. Never used these myself, but I had heard good things about them because I don't know about you guys, but every time I try to cut my dog's nails, sometimes you get a little close and that scares me, or it takes about 10 bucks each time to go into a place to get them done. So this came, and I'm not sure if you say INVENHO or how you say that brand name. Came with this, and then it came with a little guy here, the Dremel head here, that will be used for grinder, and then the little cable. So we'll open this and see how it works. And I'll be doing another video with an actual dog showing and reviewing it, seeing how we like it. So it actually has one already in place here of these, and then it comes with this extra one. So that's nice and handy. So I'll be having to see if that needs charged or what all we need to do about that. But I'll show you more in our actual review video. I'll put this all to the side here and start on this. This here is a Wahl Bravura Lithium cordless dog grooming clipper. And that was a mouthful, but I got it all out. So anyways, I have been looking for a good dog grooming set here for a while now. Actually, my last one had broke, and I think it was a Wahl. It's pretty good, just not a very expensive brand or anything. And then we were looking and kind of debating between an Andes and this. And the reviews on this were actually better. Got a 4.8 out of 5. And it also does not get hot, supposedly, after quite a while of grooming like others do. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what all comes in it. First off, you have the beautiful blue color that I picked out. This here cost about $152 online, which was a really good deal because of it coming with all of the guards and all that it comes with. So go ahead and get this on out and see what it is. And there it is. It says here you have to charge fully 90 minutes before first use, so I'll be charging that so we can do our review on it. We get this junk out of the way. There we go. And now for this, it comes with a nice carry bag, which is nice to keep things organized. And there is the nice little charging station for it. And in case you don't have time to charge it, you can also use that nice long cord. And then it comes with all the different lengths. Comes from an 8, it looks like, down to a 1. So to give you an idea. So that's nice. My last one only came with, I think, 3 different ones. So this gives you a nice variety for length on your dog. And people said on the reviews that it did work really well for around the face and feet too, which is nice. So there you guys have it. That's just a quick little unboxing of what this Wahl Bravura Lithium dog clipper looks like. And then I hope you guys join us for our next video, which will be actually using it in review on how these products work. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we will catch you next time when I'm just so bored again, I make another video.